Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer. In today's video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which gimbal is right for you. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts advanced AI tracking and a magnetic fill light, making it a versatile choice for content creators. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN offers a budget-friendly option with solid stabilization and portability. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, which positions it as a premium option in the market. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer is significantly more affordable at just $64. This price difference can be a crucial factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. The Hohem iSteady M6 comes packed with advanced features such as AI tracking, a magnetic fill light, and an OLED display for real-time monitoring. These features enhance the user experience and provide more creative options for videographers. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN gimbal offers essential features like a focus wheel and foldable design, making it portable and user-friendly, but lacks some of the advanced functionalities found in the Hohem. Both gimbals feature 3-axis stabilization, but the Hohem iSteady M6 utilizes the advanced iSteady 7.0 technology, which provides exceptional stabilization even during dynamic movements. The AOCHUAN gimbal, while still effective with its Smart 7.0 anti-shake technology, may not deliver the same level of performance as its counterpart, particularly in more challenging filming scenarios. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem is ideal for those seeking advanced features and superior stabilization, while the AOCHUAN is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for a reliable gimbal. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.